welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lakshay. I am currently working as a software engineer 3 in Walmart Global Tech India in the big data and the AI space. So today we are going to solve one of the leetcode SQL problem, which is one of the top SQL problems in the leetcode and the SQL 50 list. Let's see this problem. So we are given a transaction table in which we are having columns like ID, country, state, amount, and transaction date, where ID is one of the primary key for this table. And for a particular state, I see the transaction can be approved or declined for a particular set of scenarios, where country was US, and for 18th of December 2018 the transaction was approved, but for 19th of December transaction was declined. Okay, and we need to write an SQL query to find for each month and country. Okay, for each month and country, we are not interested in the dates, we are interested only in the month and the country part. Okay, because even if we see in the output, it is giving us, okay, for December of 2018 what are the values. Okay, for each month and country, number of transaction and the total amount, what are the transaction counts we have to find, what are the approved count we have to find, what is the transaction total amount we have to find, and what is the approved total amount. So what does that mean is, it means that for December 2018, if we see only one of the transaction got approved, one was declined, total number of transaction happened is 2, approved is 1, and what is the transaction total amount? Transaction total amount is the total transaction amount. In the December month, 2 transactions happened of 2018. I am saying total 3000, but approved transaction was only 1000, which is the last column we have to find out. So it's a proper case of where we have to group these two particular columns, but we are interested in the month only, not in the dates. So yeah, let's solve out this particular problem using group by. So let me make first the structure of this particular case. Select all from transactions. Okay, now let's fetch the year and month for a transaction date value. This is year. Here let me fetch month as trans date. Okay, now it is expecting as month column only. Further, country is like country, and we need to group by this two column, group by month and country. Further, we need to fetch out what is the transaction count, total transaction count. Transaction count will be, after grouping it, you can have count I star as trans count. Further, we have to find out approved count. So approved count, you see for the December 2018, one of the transaction was approved, one was declined. So let's use case when condition here. When state is approved, then 1, else 0, and as approved. No, this is a transaction count. Our transaction count we have already calculated. We are just calculating the approved count, and this is approved count, and we also have to submit up sum of this. Okay, further we have to calculate the total transaction happened for that particular month. Directly sum, we can do sum here. Already group by condition is being mentioned here. Sum of amount as transaction total amount. Further, we are interested only in the approved total amount. Let's use case when again. When state is approved, then amount as 0, and as approved total amount. Let's sum as well this value. Yeah. Okay, let's run this and see if it is passing for the given input test case. Okay, it is having some syntax issue. Okay, we are missing comma here. Let's put the comma. Okay, it is passing for the input test case. Let's see if it is passing for all the given test cases. Okay, let's submit this particular problem. Okay, yeah, it is passing for all the test cases. Great. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be coming up with more such SQL videos which will be really helpful for your SQL interview rounds in top product based companies. Thank you.